Heads Rail Tutorial Guide 4.5 for Tunnel Design. In this session we shall see the stepwise procedure to design railway tunnels. Step 1. Open main screen of Heads Rail. By double-clicking on the desktop icon, select menu item file, select working folder. Step 2. The folder is selected as exists, or user ma browse and create and select folder work 3 as the working folder, click on OK, the project folder will be created inside the working folder. Step 3. Select menu item file new / open project workspace tunnel design / tunnel design. Step 4. The project workspace open tunnel design. Click on create project. The project folder will be created as design job number 01 inside users working folder. Step 5. Message comes confirming that the project folder will be created. Click on OK. Step 6. There are two browse buttons. Click on the upper button to select the total station survey data containing topo survey data on the ground surface. Step 7. Select the total station survey data from any location in the PC/laptop. Click on button open. Step 8. A copy of the survey data file is taken inside the project work 6 tunnel design project job number 01 tunnel design. For processing the data, message comes. Click on OK. The total station survey data file ground.txt is opened in Notepad. This file contains ground elevation data at various coordinates on the upper ground surface. After viewing, close the Notepad. Step 9. Click on the lower browse button to select the tunnel survey data taken by robot station in Trimble format. This data is automatically scanned inside the tunnel for as build condition. Step 10. Select the file tunnel survey data.txt from any location of the PC/laptop. Click on button open. Step 11. A copy of the survey data file is taken in project folder work 6 tunnel design project job number 01 tunnel design. For processing the data, message comes. Click on OK. The robot total station as build survey data file tunnel survey data.txt is opened in Notepad. This file contains ground elevation data at various coordinates inside the excavated bored tunnel. After viewing, close the Notepad. Step 12. Open tab window. Process survey data. There are three more tabs under this tab. The first tab is opened as Step 1. Ground model. Click on button create ground model. This will process total station survey data taken on the ground surface. Step 13. As the process over the message comes, click on OK. Step 14. In the list the survey feature comes as OGL, original ground level. Click on the box in column color for feature OGL. Step 15. Select the desired color. Click on button apply. Step 16. Click on button draw at the bottom of the left side window. Step 17. The ground model is drawn for the selected feature OGL. Step 18. Open tab page. Step 2. Triangulation. It is under the primary tab. Process survey data. Click on button create triangulation model. Step 19. The process dialog box come. Click on button proceed. Step 20. As the process over the message mentioning about the output. Click on OK. Step 21. Open tab page. Step 3. Contour. It is under the primary tab. Process survey data. By default the primary contour interval is shown as 1.0 m. The secondary contour interval is always 5 times the primary interval. In case of a flat ground, the primary contour interval may be given as 0.1 m and the secondary interval will be 0.5 m. The contour elevation will be written on secondary contours. Click on button create contour model. Step 22. The process dialog box comes. Click on button run. Step 23. The contour window opens and shows the process of creating contours on the triangulation model. As the process is over, click on the button save on panel of the contour window. Step 24. Next, click on yellow color contour at the bottom of the contour window. As the dialog box comes, click on the button to close the contour window. Step 25. Next, we come back to the tab for contour in the project workspace. Click on button draw contour model. Step 26. Contours are being drawn and wait for some time. The contour model is drawn over the ground model. Step 27. Open tab page tunnel design. Under this tab page there are more tabs for various tasks of the design process. Currently the tab. Step horizontal alignment. Select option process Halon design data from the drop down list is shown. Step 28. Copy Halon design data from its normally Halon.ref. Any previous design is done, and paste the Halon design data in the box at the left side of the workspace. By clicking on the Halon design data in the box at the left side of the workspace, By clicking on the button Proceed, the Halon design data will be processed. Where there is no previous Halon design data, select option New Halon design from the drop-down list as shown. Click on button Proceed. Step 29. Step 30. Alternatively, the heads viewer opens where there is no previous Halon design of the horizontal alignment of the Halon design from the drop-down polyline from menu draw and click button Proceed by following the turns and bends of the ground model. The heads viewer opens note that the features must not be clicked very close to horizontal alignment of the tunnel. Result overlapping of curves which are to be assigned to draw and click the points by following the horizontal intersection models. Please note that the points must not be clicked very close to each polyline. This will result overlapping of curves which are to be assigned to these points. Design Halon. These points are horizontal intersection points. Step 32. Hip. Click the left and then right mouse buttons on the polyline. Step 33. Step 31. The design dialog box menu item. Design Halon. User may change the data as desired. Step 32. Click on button apply. Click the left and then right mouse buttons on the polyline. Message comes saying that the curve is large at a hip. The design dialog box comes. Necessary user may change the data as desired. Curves may be entered as per the design standard. And click on button apply. Message comes saying that the curve is large at a hip. Click on button reduce the curve radius. Necessary lead and trail transition curves may be entered as per the design standard. And click on button apply. If no message comes for large curve, then click on button save and finish. The modeling process dialog box comes. Next comes the dialog box for modeling the design. Select the string M001. The modeling process is over. OK. The message comes. Step 36. Click on OK. The modeling process dialog box comes. Click on button 38. Now we are once again back to the tab page for step 4 in the design workspace. The message comes. Click on button View Halon Design. Close the design window heads viewer. The designed horizontal alignment is being drawn. Now we are once again back to the tab page for step 4 in the design workspace. The alignment with tangents and curves is View Halon Design. This is just for viewing only. Step 39. Step 40 horizontal alignment is being drawn. Please wait. The dialog box comes. Step 40. Select the string alignment with tangents and curves and enter other details. This is just for viewing only. Step 41. The Shenage are displayed along the alignment of the track center line. Comes. Next, select the string M0 details on and enter other details. Step 43. Click on OK. The dialog box comes. Step 42. Select the Shenage are displayed along the alignment of the track center line. Click on OK. Click on button details on. The curve details are displayed at the hips along the alignment of the track center line. Select the string M001 and enter other details. Open the next tab. Click on OK. Vertical profile. Step 44. Click on button. The curve details are displayed at the hips along the alignment of the track center line. The process dialog box comes. Click on the next tab. Step 5. Step 47. The message comes to start the process section. Click on OK. Step 46. Step 48. The process dialog box comes over the string E001 for the ground long section along the track center line is stored in the model files and the message comes. Click on OK. Step 49. As the process is over the string E001 for the ground long section along the track center line is stored in the model files and the message horizontal and vertical scales are mentioned. Step 49. Click on the button Draw Ground Long Section. The ground long section is drawn describing the ground elevations at the surface level. The default horizontal and vertical scales are mentioned. Click on OK. Step 52. As the process dialog box comes, the ground long section is drawn describing the ground elevations at the surface level. As the process finishes, the message comes mentioning about the output. Step 52. Click on OK. As the process dialog box comes, click on button Draw as built long section. Step 53. The dialog box comes. As the process finishes, the message comes mentioning about the output. Click on OK. Step 55. Click on the built long section. Next, the dialog box user may either select the option horizontal and vertical design data if any previous design is available. Paste the V-align data in the lower left box. As built long section is drawn. Step 56. Next, user may either select the option V-align design data if any previous design is available. Paste the V-align data in the lower left box. The option New V-align design if no previous design is available, and click on button Proceed. Step 58. The heads viewer opens as the design window. Select menu items as Design Ground Long Section Draw Vertical Profile. The V-align data will be processed. Step 59. The dialog box comes. Select the model as built. Select the string TBCL which is tunnel bottom center line. Step 57. Alternatively, Step 60. User may select the option New V-align design if no previous design is available, and the as built long section is displayed. Click on icon on the right side of the window is marked with red colored arrow for drawing select a polyline items as design ground long section on draw vertical section to draw a polyline. Step 59. To finish the polyline, dialog the right mouse button. Select the model as built. The polyline should pass as close as possible to the ground tunnel bottom center line. The points should be sufficiently away from each other to accommodate curves to be set at this point. OK. These points are called vertical intersection
long
points.
section is displayed.
VIP. Click on icon on the
Step
right side
62.
of the window as
Select
marked
the
with
menu
red color
item
arrow
as
for
drawing
drawing
a
a polyline.
new VIP
and
DS.
click on a number of points on the
Step
ground
63.
long section to draw
Click
a
the left
polyline.
and right mouse
To finish
buttons on
the
the
polyline,
polyline,
click the right mouse button.
Step 64.
The
The
polyline
design
should
dialog
pass as
box
close as
comes.
possible to the
User
ground
may
long
change the
section.
data as
The
desired.
points should be sufficiently away from each other to accommodate
Step
curves to be set
65.
at this point.
If any message comes for
These
large
points
curve,
are
the
called vertical
length,
intersection points.
VCL, VIP,
is to be reduced.
and
Step
again click on
62.
Apply.
Select
If no
the
message
menu
comes,
items,
then
then
click
click
on
on
button
button
Save
Save and
VIP
Finish.
DS.
Step 63.
Next comes
Click
the
the left
dialog
and
box
right
for
mouse
modeling
buttons on the
design.
polyline. Select the string
Step
M001.
64. The
Click
design
on
dialog
OK.
box comes.
Step 67.
User may change the data
as the
as
process
desired.
dialog
Click
box
on
comes.
button Apply.
Click on Proceed.
Step 65.
Step 68.
If any message comes
as
for
the
large
process
curve,
is
the
over the
vertical
message
curve length,
comes.
Click on
VCL
OK
is to be
close the
reduced.
design window
and again
heads
click
viewer.
on Apply. If
no
step
message
69
comes, then click on
now
button
we are
Save
back
and
to the
Finish.
window for step 5 in the
Step
design
66.
workspace.
Next
Click on
comes
button
the
Draw
dialog
vertical
box for
profile.
modeling the design.
Step
Select
70.
the string
The
M001.
dialog box comes.
Click on
Select
OK.
the string M001
Step
and
67.
click on OK.
As the process dialog
Step
box
71.
comes.
Click
The
on
design vertical
Proceed.
profile for the center
Step
line of the
68.
track is drawn.
As the process is over the
Step
message
72.
comes.
Click
The
on
V-align
OK.
design data
Close
is
the
displayed
design
on the
window
left
heads
side
viewer.
box.
Click on
Step
button Grid
69.
on. Now we
Step
are back to the
73.
window for step
The
5 in the
dialog
design
box comes.
workspace. The default
Click on button
parameters
Draw
are mentioned
vertical
and click on
profile.
OK.
Step
74.
The dialog
The
box
grids are
comes.
displayed with
Select
1/10
the
scale
string
over the design vertical
M001
profile
and
of
click
the
on
track
OK.
center line.
Step
Shapes are
71.
displayed at the bottom
design
and elevations
vertical
are
profile
displayed
for
at
the
the center
center
line
line
of the track is drawn.
Click on button vertical
Step
details
72.
on.
The V-align
Step
design data
75.
is displayed on
The
the left
dialog
side
box
box.
comes.
Click on
Select
button
the
Grid
string
on.
M001.
Step 73.
Click on button OK.
The dialog box comes.
Step 76.
The default parameters
design
are mentioned
vertical
and
details
click on
are
OK.
displayed
along the vertical
Step
profile of the
74.
track center
The
line.
grids are displayed with
Step
1/10 scale over the
77.
designed vertical
Next,
profile of the
tab
track
window.
center
Step
line.
6 and
7
7 cross
section
section
is
at the bottom
open.
and elevations
Inside
are
there are
displayed
3
at the
more
left
tabs.
vertical side.
Currently the
Click
tab
on
define
button
rail
vertical
base is
details
open.
on, and under this tab
Step
step 6 is
75.
opened.
The
For
dialog
selecting the
box
typical
comes.
cross section,
Select the string
TCS.
M001.
This is a track
Click
cross
on button
section
OK.
from start to end. The cross
Step
section is
76.
considered as same
The
and
design
TCS
vertical
is to be
details
applied
are
throughout
displayed
the
along the
alignment of the
vertical
track.
profile of the
User
track
may
center
click on a
line.
TCS and may see
Step
the particular
77.
TCS. Next, the tab
Step
window.
78.
Step 6 and 7
Here we
cross
select the
section is
TCS01.
Inside there are 3
Click
more
on button
tabs. Save schedule
Currently
data.
the tab define rail
Step
base is
79.
open.
And under
The
this
message
tab
comes
steps mentioning that the
open.
selected
For
cross section
selecting
is
the
typical
saved.
cross
And
section.
next the dimensions
TCS.
for various cross
This is
section
a track
elements is
cross
to be
section
entered.
from start to end. The
Step
cross section
80.
is considered
Open
as
tab
same
step
and
7.
TCS is to be
Inside there
applied
are 2
throughout the
more
alignment
tabs.
of the track.
Currently the tab
User may
define
click on a
cross
section
section
and may
open.
see the particular
various
default
TCS
data are mentioned. User may
Step
change the data in
78.
authorized
Here
version.
we select the
Click on button Save
TCS01.
Data. Click on button
Step
Save
81.
Schedule Data.
The
message comes.
Step
Click on
79.
OK. The message
Step
comes
82.
mentioning that the selected
Now under
cross
the tab
section
step
is
7
saved.
open the tab.
And next
Create
the dimensions
cross section
for various cross
Click on
section
button
elements is
process
to be
cross
entered.
section data.
Step 80.
Step
Open
83.
tab Step 7.
The process window
Inside
comes
there are
with
2
various
more design
tabs.
actions.
Currently the
Each
tab
one is to
define
be
process
processed
one
one after
opened.
another. The
Click
various
on button
default data
Proceed.
are mentioned.
Step
User may
84.
change the data in
The first
authorized
process
versions to create
Click
3
on
string
button
save data.
CL01.
CL02. The message
CL03
comes.
on the left
Click
side
on
and
string
OK.
CR01.
Step 82.
CR02.
Now under the tab Step 7
CR03
open
on the
the
right
tab
side
Create
forming the
cross
dummy
section.
central reserve.
Click on button
Click
process
on button
cross
cross
section
section data. Step
85.
Step 83. As the process over
window
the message
comes with
various design
Click on
actions.
OK.
Each one is to
Step
be processed
86.
one after
The
another.
next process
Click
will
on
create
button
the
super
proceed.
elevated left formation
Step
edge
84.
string CL04
The first
in the
process
model
starts to
files.
create 3
Click
strings
on button
CL01.
proceed. CL02.
Step 87.
CL03 on the left side and string
comes.
CR01.
Click on OK and finish.
CR02.
Step
CR03
88.
on the right side
The next
forming the dummy
process will
central
create the
reserve.
super elevated
Click on
right
button
formation
proceed.
edge
a string CR04
Step
in the
85.
model files. As the process
Click
is
on
over the
button
message
proceed.
comes. Click
Step
on OK.
89.
As the
Step
process
86.
is over the message
The
comes.
next process will
Click
create
on
the
OK
super
and
elevated
finish.
left formation edge
Step
string
90.
CL04
The next
in the model
process will
files.
create the super
Click on
elevated
button
left
proceed.
shoulder edge string
Step
CL05 in
87.
the model files.
As the process is
Click
over the
on
message
button
comes.
proceed. Click on OK
Step
and
91.
finish. As the process
Step
is over the
88.
message comes.
The next process
Click
will
on
create
OK
the super
and finish.
elevated right formation
Step
edge string
92.
CR04
The next
in the model
process will
files.
create the super
Click on
elevated
button
right
proceed.
shoulder
shoulder edge as string
Step
CR05
89
in the model files.
As the process is over,
Click
the
on
message
button
comes.
proceed. Click on OK
Step
and
93
finish. As the process is
90
over, the message
the
comes.
next process will
Click
create
on
the
OK
super
and
elevated
finish.
left shoulder edge as
Step
string
94
CL05 in the
the
model
next process
files.
will create
Click
the
on
left
button
and right
proceed.
edges of the earthen verges as
Step
string
91
CL06
as the
and
process is over,
CR06
the message
respectively
comes.
in the model
Click
files.
on OK and
Click
finish.
on button proceed. Step 92
Step 95
the next process
as
will
the
create
process
the
is
super
over, the
elevated
message
right
comes.
shoulder edge as
Click
string
on OK.
CR05 in the model
Step
files.
96
Click on
the
button
next
proceed.
process will create offset
Step
strings as
93
CL07
as the
and
process is over, the
CR07 to
message
make
comes.
CL06
Click
and
on OK and
CR06 as
finish.
continuous strings and to
Step
store in the
94
model files.
the next
Click
process
on
will
button
create the
proceed.
left and right edges of the
Step
earthen verges
97
as string
as the
CL06
process is
and
over, the message
CR06
comes.
respectively
Click
in the
on
model
OK.
files. Click
Step
on button
98
proceed. The next process
Step
will create the
95.
cross-section
As
of the
process
trasses
top
over the
formation
message
comes
by uniting
click
all
on
the
OK.
strings from CL01
Step
through
96.
CL07
The
on the
next
left
process
side of
will
the center
create
line
offset
and strings
strings
from
from
CL01 through CR07 on the right side of the
CL06
center
and
line.
CR06
In
as
actual
continuous
sequence of their
strings and to
occurrences
store
in
in
the
the
model
cross
sections.
sections.
Click on
Step
button Proceed.
99.
The message
Step
comes as
97.
shown. As
Click
the
on
processes
OK.
over the message comes.
Step 100.
Click on OK.
The next
message comes as
Step
shown.
98.
Click on OK.
The
next process will create
Step
the cross-section of
101.
track by
As the
uniting all the
process is
strings
over,
from
the
CL01 through
cross-sections are created in
CL07
text
on the
file
left side of the
HDS
center line and strings from
CR01
CR01
the message
through
comes as shown.
CR07 on the right
Click on
side of the
OK.
center line.
Step
In actual
102.
sequence of their occurrences
As all
in
the
the
9
cross-sections
processes
are over.
Step
Click on button
99.
Finish. The message comes
Step
as shown.
103.
Click on OK. The dialog box comes
Step
with list of
100.
all strings. The next message
Click on
comes
button
as
Draw
shown.
strings.
Click on OK. Step 104.
Step 101.
The strings are being
As the
drawn.
process is
Please
over.
wait. The cross sections
Step
are created in text
105.
file
The
HDS
strings are drawn.
002.fill. Click on button. The
Create
message comes as
cross-section
shown.
drawings
on the
Click
left
on
side
OK.
of the window. Step
Step
106. As all the 9 cross-sections are displayed. Click on
These
button
are for
Finish.
viewing
only. Final
Step
cross-sections shall
103.
be created
Later
later. Dialog
on.
box comes with list
Step
of all strings.
107.
Click on button
Select
Draw
any
strings
shannage
to view the cross-section
Step
in the cross-section
104.
at that
The
particular
strings are
shannage
being
will be
drawn.
displayed. Please wait. Step 108.
Step 105.
User has to
The
check the
strings are
cross-section
drawn.
with the plan
Click
view
on
is
button
displayed on the right side
cross-section
of the window.
drawings
On the left side of the
Step
window.
109.
Step
Open the tab
106.
page.
Defined
The
tunnel
cross-sections
cross-sections are displayed from the
These are
drop-down
for
list.
viewing
Select
only.
item custom
Final
as shown below.
cross-sections
Shall be created
Step
later on.
110.
Step
The
the
message
message
comes.
comes. Click on
Select
OK.
any
shannage to view the
Step
cross-section in the
111.
cross-section at
Wait
that
for the
particular
Excel file
shannage
to
will be
open.
displayed. Step
Step
112.
108.
As the
User
Excel
has to
file
check the
opens,
cross-section
the
with
current
the
plan
page
view
is
is
tunnel
displayed on
custom
the right side of the
cross-section
window.
2T.
2 tracks.
Step
In case
109.
any change in
Open the tab
cross-section is
page.
required,
Defined
user
tunnel
can do that.
cross-sections.
Select the
Save
drop-down
as.
list. Select
Select
item
menu
custom
item
as
other
shown
formats
below.
as shown.
Step 110.
Step 113.
The message comes. Select the
Click on
location
OK.
as shown to save the file.
Step 111.
Save type as text.
Wait for the Excel
Tab
file to
delimited.
open.
Click on button
Step
save.
112.
The file is saved as a
As the
text
Excel
file which
file
will be
opens,
used for next
the current
process.
page is
tunnel custom
Step
cross-section
114.
2T. 2 tracks.
Close the Excel
in
file.
case any change in
Step
cross-section is required, user
115.
can do that.
Open the tab page.
Select
Create
save
cross-
cross-section. Select menu
Click on
item
button
other
process
formats
as
cross-section data. Step
Step 116.
Select the
The batch
location as
processing
shown to
window
save the
comes
file.
with 2 processes
Save
in
type
proper
as
sequence.
text. Tab
Click on button
delimited. Proceed
Click
as
on
shown.
button save.
The
Step
file is saved as a text
117.
file which will
The
be
first
used for next
process starts.
process. The process
Step
dialog box
114.
comes. Click on
Close
button
the
Excel
Excel
file. Step 118.
115.
As the
Open the
process is
tab
over,
page.
the message
Create
comes
cross
informing
sections.
about the output
Click on
generated.
button.
Process
Click on
cross-section
OK.
data. Step
Step
116. The next
The batch
process starts
processing
in the
window
process
comes with 2
dialog box
processes in
comes.
proper
Again,
sequence.
click on the button proceed as shown.
Step 120.
Step 117. A message comes. The
Click
first
on
process
OK.
starts. The
Step
process dialog box
121.
comes. The next
Click on
message
button
comes.
proceed.
Again, click on OK. Step 122. As the process is over, the message comes informing about the output generated. Step 123. As the
Step
two processes are over,
119.
click on the button
The
Finish
next
as
process
shown.
starts
in the process
Step
dialog box
124.
comes. Again, click on the button
comes with
Proceed. All the strings to be drawn.
Step 120.
Click on button Draw
A
Strings.
message
comes.
Step
Click on
125.
OK. Step
The strings are being
121.
drawn.
The
Please
next
wait.
message comes.
Step
Again, click on
126.
The strings are drawn in 3D. Click on button Create Tunnel Cross Sections. Step 122.
Step 127.
As the process is over, the message
selection
box comes. Click on OK. Select the option Cross
Step
Sections of Tunnel with Rail
123.
Face. As
Click
the
on
two
OK.
processes are over, click on the
Step
button Finish as shown.
128.
The next
Step
dialog box comes.
124.
Click on
The
button
list box
Proceed
comes
and
with
wait
all
for
the
the
strings
strings
to
to be drawn.
Click
Click on
on
button
button
Draw
Draw
Strings.
Strings.
The cross
Step
section window appears shown as
125.
build cut with
The strings
design
are being
cross
drawn.
section.
Please
User
wait.
can go forward and backward
Step
by using the buttons
126.
respectively. The strings are drawn
Step
in 3D.
130.
Click on button
User
Create
can
Tunnel
select
Cross
a
Sections
sections.
to see the cross section
Step
at that
127.
Step
The selection
131
box
comes.
Next,
Select the option
user
Cross
has to
Sections
close
the
the
tunnel
cross
with Rail
section
Base.
window.
Click on OK.
Step 132.
Step 128.
Coming back
to the project
the next
workspace.
dialog box
The
comes.
dialog box
Click
appears.
on button Proceed
Click on
and
button
wait for a
Finish.
while.
Step
Step
129. In the project
cross-section
workspace
window
also
appears
appears shown
shown
as
as
build
build
cut
cut
with
with
design
design
cross section.
cross-section.
The design
User
cross
can go
section
forward
and backward by
Step
using the buttons and
134.
respectively. By selecting
Step
a particular
130.
shannage here also
User
user
can
can see
select
the
a
tunnel
shannage
cross
to see
section
the
at that
cross-section
particular
at that
shannage. Step 135. The cross section and the tunnel in plan are displayed side by side. Step 136. Open the tab page. Step 8 Drawings. Step under this tab page there are 3 more tab pages. Plan,
User has to
Profile,
close the
and cross section
cross-sections.
window. Currently the tab
Step
page plan is open.
132.
The default
Coming
data
back
are
to the
mentioned.
project workspace.
Accepting the same
The
data,
dialog
click on
box
button
appears.
process data.
Click on button finish.
Step 137.
Step 133.
The process dialog
in the
box
project
comes.
workspace.
Click
Also
on
user
button
can
proceed.
see the cross sections of as
Step
built against the design
138.
cross section.
As the process
Step
finishes, the message comes
134.
informing about the output.
By selecting a particular
OK.
shennage.
Here also user
Step
can see the tunnel cross
139.
section at that particular
Next,
shennage.
open the tab page profile.
Step
is open.
135.
The default data
The
are
cross
mentioned.
section and the tunnel
Accepting
and plan
the same
are
data.
displayed
Click
side
on
by
button
side.
horizontal alignment
Step
schematics.
136.
Step
Open the
140.
tab page. Step
The
8
process
drawings.
dialog box
Under this tab
comes.
page there are
Click
3
on
more
button
tab
proceed.
pages: plan, profile,
Step
and cross
141.
sections.
Currently
As
the tab page
over
plan
the
is
message
open.
comes
The
informing about
default
the
data
output
are mentioned.
created.
Accepting
Click on
the same
OK.
data. Click on button
Step
process data.
142.
Click on button vertical alignment schematics.
The process dialog
Step
box comes.
143.
Click on button proceed.
The process dialog box
Step
comes.
138.
Click on button proceed.
As the process finishes,
Step
the message comes informing about
144.
the output.
As the process
Click
is
on
over,
OK.
the message comes informing
Step
about the output created.
139.
Click on
Next,
OK.
Open the tab
Step
page profile is
145.
open. The default
data
process
are mentioned.
for creating schematic
Accepting the
drawings
same
are
data.
over.
Click on button
Click on
horizontal
button
alignment
process
schematics. Step
146.
146. The process
dialog
dialog
box
comes.
Click on button
proceed.
Step
147.
As the process
As
is
the
over, the
process
message
is over,
comes
the message
informing
comes
about the output. Click on OK.
Step
Step
148.
Click on
Next,
button vertical
open the
alignment
tab
schematics.
page cross section is open.
Step
The default data
143.
are mentioned.
The process
Accepting the
dialog
same
box
data. Click
comes.
on button
Click
process
on button
data.
proceed.
Step
144.
The cross
As the
sections
process
are
is
already
over, the
created
message
in the
comes
project
informing
folder.
about the output
The message
created.
comes informing
Click
about
on
the
OK.
output. Click on
Step
OK.
145.
Step
As
150.
the processes for
Creating
creating
schematic
schematics
drawings
drawings
are
are
over.
Design
Click on
details.
button process
There are
data.
8 button in this tab page.
Step
Click on button
146.
create/update
The process
project
starts
in the
data file.
dialog box comes.
Step
Click on button
151. The project
Step
data is opened in the window and the
147.
message
As
comes.
the process is
Click
over, the
on
message
OK.
comes informing about
Step
the output.
152.
Click on OK.
Next,
Step
click on button view
148.
project data file.
Next,
The
open
project
tab
data
page
file
cross
opens
section
in
is
Notepad.
open.
The
After
default
watching,
data
close
are
the
mentioned.
notepad.
Accepting the same
Step
data. Click on button
153.
process data.
Next,
Click
Step
on button open ground
149.
total station
The
survey
cross
data.
sections are
The
already
ground
created
total
in the
station
project
survey
folder.
data in file
The message comes
ground.text
informing
opens
about
in
the
Notepad.
output.
After
Click on
watching,
OK.
close the notepad.
Step 150.
Open tab page.
Step
Next,
9.
design
Click on
details.
button open tunnel
There are
robot
8 total
button in this
station
tab
survey
page.
data.
Click
The
on
tunnel
button
scan
get/update
robot total
project
station
data
survey
file.
data in Trimble
Step
format and file.
151.
Tunnel survey data.txt.
The project
Opens
data
in
is
Notepad.
opened in the window and
After
the
watching,
message
close
comes.
the notepad.
Click on OK.
Step
Step
152.
152.
Next, click on button
Click on
view
button
report
view
files.
project data file.
Step
The
156.
project data file opens in Notepad.
The report list is
After
displayed
watching,
on the left
close the
side.
notepad.
By selecting a
Step
report that is displayed on the right
153.
side. Next,
Step
click on button
157.
open ground total station
Next,
survey data.
click on button
the ground
view
total
drawings.
station survey data in
Step
file ground.text
158.
opens in Notepad.
The message comes.
After watching,
Click
close
on
the
button
notepad.
yes. Step 159.
The
Next,
Heads CAD viewer
click
opens
on button
with list of
open
all
tunnel
drawings.
robot total
Select
station
a drawing
survey
in the
data.
list and the drawing
tunnel
will be
scan
displayed.
built by robot
After
total
viewing all the
station
drawings,
survey
close
data
the
in
Trimble
Heads viewer.
format and file. Tunnel
Step
survey data.txt
160.
opens in Notepad.
Next,
After
click on
watching
button
tunnel
close the
custom
notepad.
cross sections TCS
Step
drawings.
155.
Step
Next,
161.
click on button view
the drawings
report
are
files.
opened with a list. Step
162.
The report
By
list is
selecting a
displayed
drawing
on
in
the
the
left
list, the
side.
drawing can be
By
viewed.
selecting a report that is
Step
displayed on the right side.
163.
Click
Step
on the button open
157.
viewer. Next,
Step
click on button view
164.
drawings. The Heads CAD
Step
viewer opens.
158.
User can select and
message
open any
comes.
drawing from the
Click on
project
button
folder.
yes.
Step
Step
165. Select
Heads
the tab
CAD
page
viewer
opens
opens with
profile.
list of all drawings.
Under it tab page,
Select a
horizontal
drawing in the list
alignment
and the
is
drawing
currently
will be
displayed. Select
After
the option
viewing all the
process
drawings,
Halen
close
design
the
data.
Heads
Viewer. Paste the Halen data by copying from the report file halenmint.rep as designed before. Click on button proceed. The process dialog box comes. Click on button proceed. Step 166. As the process is over, the message
Step
comes informing about the
160.
output. Next,
Click on OK.
Click on button tunnel
Step
custom cross sections
167.
TCS drawings.
Click on button view
Step
Halen design.
161.
Step
The drawings are opened with a
168.
list. The horizontal
Step
alignment with tangents and curves
162.
is drawn. By selecting
This
a
is just
drawing
for
in the
viewing
list, the
only.
drawing can be viewed. Step 169. Click on button Shennage on. The dialog box comes. Select the string M001 and enter other
Step
details.
163.
Click on OK. Click on the
Step
button Open Viewer.
170.
The
Step
Shennages are displayed along the
164.
alignment of the
The
track
Heads CAD
tunnel
viewer
center
opens.
line. User can
Next,
select and open
click
any
on
drawing
button
from the
details
project
on.
folder. Step
Step
165. The dialog
Select
box
the tab
comes.
page coach
Select
profile.
the string
Under it tab
M001
page
and
horizontal
enter other
alignment
details.
is currently
Click
open.
on OK. Select the option
Step
process Halen design
172.
data. Paste the
curve
Halen
details
data by
are displayed
copying
along
from
the
the
report
alignment of the
file
track/tunnel
halenmint.rep
center
as
line
designed
before. Click on 173. The process dialog box comes.
Profile.
Click on
Open
button
the tab
proceed.
page. Vertical profile.
Step 166.
Select the option
process via
As the
line design
process is
data.
over,
Paste
the
the
message
VLine
comes
data by
informing
copying
about the
from the
output.
report file.
Click
via
on
alignment.rep as designed
Step
before.
167.
Click on button proceed. Click on button view
Step
Halen design.
174.
Step
The process
168.
dialog box comes.
The horizontal
Click on
alignment
button
with tangents
proceed.
and curves is drawn.
Step
This is just for viewing
175.
only. As the process
Step
is over, the message comes.
169.
Click on OK.
button Shenage on.
Step
The dialog box
176.
comes.
Select
Click on
the
button
string
draw vertical
M001
profile
and enter other details.
Step 177.
The
Step
dialog box comes with
170.
scales. The Shenage are
OK.
displayed along the alignment
Step
of the track/tunnel center
178.
line. The designed
Next,
vertical profile
click on
for the
button
center line
details
of the
on.
track is drawn.
Step
The VLine design data is
171.
displayed on the left
dialog
side
box
comes. Click on
Select
button
the
grid
string
on M001
Step
and enter other details.
179.
Click on
The
OK.
grids
are displayed with 1/10
Step
scale over the designed
172.
vertical profile
The
of the
curved
track
details
center
are
line.
displayed along the
Shenages
alignment
are
of the
displayed
track
at the bottom and
/tunnel center
elevations
line.
are displayed at the left vertical
Step
side.
173.
Step 180.
In the tab page
coach
click
profile.
on button vertical
Open the tab
details on.
page vertical
The
profile.
dialog box comes.
Select the option
Select the
process
string
VLine design data.
M001.
Paste
Click
the
on
VLine
button
data
OK.
by copying from the report
Step
file.
181.
As
The
designed vertical
before.
details are
Click on
displayed
button
along the
proceed.
vertical profile of the
Step
tunnel center line.
174.
Step
The process
182
dialog box comes.
Open the tab page
Click on
coach
button
profile
proceed.
inputs. Various
Step
data are displayed and can be
175.
changed. As the process is over,
Step
the message
183.
comes. Click on OK. Open the tab page process
Step
data.
176.
Click on button process
Click
coach
on button
profile
draw data.
vertical profile. Step
Step
184.
177.
The batch process
The
window
dialog
comes with
box
4
comes with
processes in
scales.
proper sequence.
Click on OK.
Click on button proceed.
Step 178.
Step 185. The designed vertical profile for the center line of the track is drawn. The cross section. The VLine design data is displayed on the left side
Click
box.
on button proceed.
Click on button grid on. Step 186.
Step 179.
As the process finishes, the
grids
grids are displayed with 1/10
Click on
scale over
OK.
the designed vertical
Step
profile of the track center
187.
line. The
Shenages
next process
process
displayed at
starts
the
to
bottom
create
and
super
elevations are
elevation
displayed at the
or
left
canted
vertical
rail
side.
tracks.
And the
Step
dialog box
180.
comes. Click
Click
on
on
button
button
vertical
proceed.
details on.
Step
The dialog box
188.
comes. As the
Select the
process
string
finishes, the message
M001.
comes. Click
Click
on
on
button
OK.
OK. Step 181. The next process details for creating the displayed along the vertical and the dialog of the tunnel center line. Click on button proceed.
Step 182.
Step 190.
Open the tab
page coach
The
profile
first
message
inputs.
comes. Various
Click
data
on
are
OK.
displayed and can be changed.
Step 191.
Step 183.
The second
message comes next. Open the tab page.
Click on
process
OK.
data. Click
Step
on button process coach
192.
profile data. As the process finishes, the message comes. Click on OK. The batch process window
Step
comes with 4 processes in
193.
proper sequence. The next process starts
on
and the
button
dialog
proceed.
box comes to create the
Step
drawings.
185.
Click on button proceed. As the process starts,
Step
create the strings in the cross
194.
section. As the
The dialog
process
box
finishes, the
comes.
message comes.
Click on button
Click
proceed.
on OK. Step
Step
195. As the
As all
process
the
finishes, the
processes are
message
over.
comes. Click on
Click
button
on
finish
OK.
as shown. Step
187.
197. The next process
Now the
starts
window
to
in
create
tab page
super
process
elevation
data
or cant
has
in
the
rail
cross
tracks
sections in display.
and the dialog box comes.
Step
Click on button
197.
proceed. By selecting a
Step
Shenage, we can see the
188.
cross section at
As
the
the
particular
process
finishes,
Shenage.
the message comes. Step
Click on OK.
198. Open
Step
the tab page design
189.
details. The
There
next
are 5
process
buttons
starts
in this
for
tab
creating the
page.
cross-section
Click on the
models
button
and the dialog box
Create/Update
comes.
project data
Click on
file.
button proceed. Step
Step
199.
190.
The project
first
data
message
file
comes.
is created
Click on
and the
OK.
message comes. Step
Click on OK.
191. The
Step
second message
200.
comes next.
Click on the button
Click
View
on
project
project data file. Step
The
192.
project data file
is displayed
As
on
the
the screen
process
and is
is
also
also
opened in
opened in
Notepad
Notepad
to take
Click on
printouts.
OK.
This is the backup
Step
file of the design data and may
190.
be processed
The next
along with the
process
total
total
station
station
survey
survey
data
box
file
comes
by
to create
taking
the
these
drawings.
files in a new
Click
folder.
on
button proceed. Step 201.
Step 194.
Click on the button view report
As the
process
process
finishes, the message
Step
comes.
202.
Click on OK. The window opens with a
Step
list of report files on the
195.
left side.
As all the
Select a
processes are
report
over.
and the report
Click
file
on
is
button
displayed
Finish
as
as
shown to
shown.
take printouts. Step 196.
Step 203.
Now the window
Click
in
on
tab
the button
page
View
process
drawings.
data has the
Step
cross sections in
204.
display. The message
Step
box comes.
197.
Click on button Yes. By selecting a Shenage, we
Step
can see the cross
205.
section at the particular
head
Shenage.
Shenage.
Viewer opens with a list of
Step
various drawings created
198.
inside a folder.
Open the
Design
tab
drawings.
page.
Design details.
Inside the project
there are
folder
5
that was
buttons created
created
at the start
page.
of this session.
Click
Under
on
the
the
working
button
folder
Create/Update
select by the user.
project data
Select
file.
a drawing in the list and the
Step
drawing is displayed to save or
199.
print. The
After
project
viewing
data
the
file
drawings,
is
close the
created
CAD
as viewer
viewer
without
without
message
saving the
comes.
drawings.
Click on OK.
In
unauthorized
Step
version of Heads
200.
Rail, the drawings
Click on
cannot
the
be
button
saved
View
or
project
printed. Data file.
Step
The project data
206.
file is displayed
By
on the
clicking
screen
on the
and is
button
also
Open
opened
Viewer,
in
user
Notepad
can
to take
open the Heads
printouts.
CAD viewer.
This is the backup
Step
file of the design data
207.
and may be
We
processed
are again
along
back
with the
to the
total
tab page
station
of the
survey
project
data file by
workspace.
taking these
Close
files
the
in a new
project
folder.
workspace.
The
Step
message comes asking
201.
whether to save
Click on
/update
button
the
View
project
report
data
files.
file. Click
Click on
Step
button yes.
202. Step
The window opens with a
208.
list of report
message
files on the left
Click
side.
on OK.
Select a report and
Step
the report file is
209.
displayed to view
Again,
or to
the
take
message.
printouts.
Click on OK. Step
This
203.
is the end of the session
Click
for
on the
design
button
of
View
tunnels.
drawings. Step 204. The message box comes. Click on button Yes. Step 205.
the Heads CAD viewer opens with a list of various drawings created inside a folder Design Drawings. Inside the project folder that was created at the start of this session under the working folder select by the user, select a drawing in the list and the drawing is displayed to save or print. After viewing the drawings, close the CAD viewer without saving the drawings. In unauthorized version of Heads Rail, the drawings cannot be saved or printed. Step 206, by clicking on the button Open Viewer, user can open the Heads CAD viewer. Step 207, we are again back to the tab page of the project workspace. Close the project workspace. The message comes asking whether to save/update the project data file. Click on button Yes. Step 208, the message, click on OK. Step 209, again the message, click on OK. This is the end of the session for design of tunnels.